In this video I'm gonna teach you how to make this liquid line animation in After Effects. You can download this project file in the description down below. First we are going to create a solid layer with Ctrl Y and let's call this liquid. It can be any color and hit OK. And to this solid layer we're going to add the effect CC Particles System 2, and as you can see we don't see nothing, but if we go forward in time you will see these particles, but you can see it takes time to start. So we are going to drag this layer and we are going to move it when it already started, like over here. And first we are going to decrease the velocity to make this to be a single point. So go here to physics and decrease velocity to 0. And we are going to animate the position of these particles by going here in producer, and here you can see the position. If we click here, we can animate this by clicking the stopwatch and move it wherever you want. But the thing here is that you can only animate this with a linear path, and if you want to add curves, that will be harder to do. So to have a much easier way to animate this, we are going to create a null layer to use as a controller. So press Ctrl Alt Shift Y to create the null layer, and let's call this null controller. And now let's alt click this position stopwatch, and with the pick whip grab the controller layer. Now you will just have to type that toComp. You will see this here, press enter, and inside the parentheses you have to type a open bracket, and here you have to type 0, 0, 0. Click outside the box. You will also have this expression in the description. Also we can delete these keyframes. And now you can see if I move the null, also the particles will move. And we can animate this. So let's make a quick animation to see this better. And you can select the pen tool with G, and by dragging these points you can add curves to the path. So something like this is fine for me. Now let's preview the animation. We have this animation, and the thing here is that we can select all the keyframes between the first and the last keyframe, right click and select Rove Across Time. And now if we make this to take longer, you will see the motion will stay constant. Also if we make this to be faster. And a thing we can do is we can select these keyframes and we can easy ease with F9. And in this way it will have a slow in and slow out to make the animation smoother. Now let's go back to the particles to give it a more liquid look. So first we are going to change the particle. Let's go here to particle and let's select, instead of line, shaded sphere. You can see now the particles are some spheres, and let's make this to have a constant size. So let's change the birth size to 0.5 and the depth size to 0.5 also. Now we have this. To make this animation to be smoother, let's change the opacity map to fade in and fade out and increase the max opacity to 100%. You can see this doesn't look like a liquid yet, and that's why we're going to add the next effects. First, let's add a fill effect, and here you can add the color you want. I'm gonna to add this orange, and to make this to look like liquid, we're going to add the effect roughen edges. Let's decrease the fractal influence to 0. Also let's increase the border to something like 20 and increase the edge sharpness to 2. Now we can see this animation is looking closer to a liquid. And now let's make this line to take less time to disappear because it have this long line going down. So go to the CC Particle Systems and decrease the longevity to 0.7. Also let's decrease the birth rate to 0.5. And now you can see this is looking better. The last thing we're going to change is the physics. So let's go here to physics, and first let's decrease the gravity to only 0.2. And we're almost done here. The last detail is to increase the inherit velocity to 50. And you can see this will give it a more realistic look. And there we have it. There you already have your liquid line set up, and now you can animate with the null controller doing the path you want. And you can make a path like this, but you can see here it's like a little weird, this part, so that's because of the inherent velocity. You just have to decrease it, so I'm going to decrease this to 25. All of these settings you can change it however you want. So now you can see it looks better. If this was helpful for you, consider liking and subscribing. If you're starting in motion graphics, want to improve fast and build a solid portfolio, join Animation Essentials in the link in the description.